So in this video, I'll show you simply how to use the stickers in Paint 3D. We have a variety of tools that will help us here. We have our brushes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So I'll go and click on these 3D shapes here. Then under the 3D models, I'll select fish, for example. Then click and drag. Click, hold and drag. Then now let's rotate it like this. So we can increase the size, move it to this size. You can change the color in edit color here, and then let's change the color to, for example, yellow, and then increase the size like this. So we can rotate it a little bit like this. So we have our stickers here for us to apply on our 3D model or 3D shape. So let's select our eye sticker, then click and drag. Now move to this side, then scale it to this side. Now let's clone this and then move it to this side. Then click on the check mark to finalize the selection. We can add a happy smile or sad smile, any of them you want. And so let's add a happy smile here, then click and drag, and let's increase it. So increase it to this point. You can move it to the position you want it to be. So yes, then click the check mark to finalize it. So now this becomes a whole model on its own with a texture or sticker. So we can move this in perspective. You can move this forward in the perspective, bring it forward like this, just so it's separate from the canvas. So yes, you can do a whole lot in the background. You can add some things in the background in the 3D library. You can use that. So we can also do the same thing for the dog. So let's apply, move it here, increase, and then move the perspective, move it from it or away from the canvas. So we can select this edit color. Let's change it to, let's say, brown, and then let's go to stickers and happy smile or the eye. Let's choose this worried eye, move it to this side, and let's clone this, move it to this side, and then check mark. All right, so we can add the tank, and then let's scale it down, move it here, scale it down. Let's can rotate it. So scale it down like this, move it or increase it. Let's rotate to this point, and let's check mark. So it becomes a whole object on its own. So yes, this isn't perfect, but this is an intro to show you how to use the 3D stickers on a 3D shape. All right, so I hope this tutorial was helpful to you in this regard, in using stickers to apply to a 3D shape. If you enjoy, please kindly subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.